I like Fizzy because in lessons we have lots of fun.
I love Fizzy because you get to learn lots of dances.
I love Fizzy because it's fun and I get to be with my friends.
I love Fizzy because it's fun and you get a lot of exercise.
I love Fizzy because I get to do it with all my friends and it's really fun.
I love Fizzy because it's really, really, really fun.
I love Fizzy because of the great exercise of my awesome teacher.
I love Fizzy because it teaches us lots of dances. I love Fizzy because I meet new people and new friends.
And have fun.
Yeah. I like Fizzy because it's fun.
I like Fizzy because we have good teachers.
I love Fizzy because I get to dance with my friends.